Rohan was a 24-year-old boy. Every morning was the same. He woke up late, checked his phone, scrolled social media and sighed. He said to himself, "My life is boring. Nothing good ever happens to me." He had a small job, low salary, and big dreams, but dreams without action are just dreams. One morning, while getting ready for work, he looked into the mirror and said, "I am tired not of work but of my life." That evening, Rohan missed his bus and sat on a bench near the bus stop. An old man came and sat beside him. The old man smiled and asked, "Young man, why do you look so tired?" Rohan replied, "Life is hard. No success, no happiness." The old man laughed softly and said, "Life is not hard. Discipline is hard." Rohan was confused. The old man continued, "Can you give me 10 minutes every day?" Rohan said, "Only 10 minutes. "Yes, I can." The old man said, "Every day, do only these 3 things. 5 minutes, read something in English. 3 minutes, speak English loudly. 2 minutes, write one sentence about your day." Rohan smiled and thought, "This is too easy." The old man stood up and said, "Easy things change life, if done daily." And he left. Day 1 was difficult. Rohan felt shy speaking English alone. He made mistakes. He stopped again and again. But he remembered the old man's words. Do it daily. He completed his 10 minutes. And for the first time, he felt proud of himself. After 1 week, something changed. Rohan felt more confident. He started understanding English videos. He spoke small sentences at work. People noticed. His friend said, "You are changing, bro." Rohan smiled. After 1 month, Rohan was more confident. He started waking up early. He reduced phone usage. 10 minutes became 20 minutes. English was no longer fear. It became his power. One day, his manager said, "We need someone to talk to a foreign client. Can you try?" Old Rohan would say no. But this time he said, "Yes, I will try." His English was not perfect, but his confidence was. The meeting went well. After a few days, Rohan got a promotion, higher salary, better position. But the biggest change was inside him. One evening, Rohan saw the same old man at the bus stop. He ran to him and said, "Sir, you changed my life." The old man smiled and replied, "No. You changed your life. I just reminded you that 10 minutes are enough. If you give 10 minutes daily to yourself, your future will give you a lifetime of happiness." If this story touched your heart, comment 10 minutes and start your journey today.